Combining a timeless vintage design with advanced features, this trailer stands out with its slightly larger size, yet remains lightweight and maneuverable thanks to its aluminum chassis. The exterior is striking, featuring large panoramic windows with fly screens, LED light strips, and a wide-opening rear section. This design is perfect for loading motorcycles and bicycles, with a built-in ramp offering easy access for individuals with limited mobility. The interior boasts extensive use of wood and high-quality thermal insulation. The spacious living area comfortably seats 6 and includes a table and a single bed. The main bed is generously sized at 190 centimeters long and 140 centimeters wide. The kitchen is well equipped with a triplex stove, chrome sink, and a 152-liter refrigerator. The fully functional bathroom features a shower with hot and cold water, a folding sink, and a toilet, making this trailer the ultimate luxury home on wheels. The Unis RV combines comfort and innovation, allowing travelers to maintain their lifestyle while exploring the open road. Inside, it offers designated spaces for relaxing and dining, featuring handcrafted wooden furniture, elegant French fabrics, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, all tailored for those who value high-quality living. Buyers can personalize their RV by selecting custom configurations and finishes to suit their preferences. Built on the reliable Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis, the Unis RV is packed with smart safety systems, including active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and attention assist for added peace of mind. A touchscreen navigation system ensures you stay on course, while wireless charging panels keep your devices powered up. With its thoughtful design and advanced features, calling the Unis RV just a vehicle hardly does it justice. It's a luxurious, mobile lifestyle experience. Luxury buses do exist, and the Marathon Coach is a prime example. A true palace on wheels. Its elegant design features flowing lines and tinted windows, allowing passengers to enjoy scenic views while maintaining privacy. The reinforced suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on rough country roads, making every journey feel like gliding on waves. Inside, the coach offers 5-star hotel comfort. The spacious living area includes a leather sofa, armchairs, and a dining table, perfect for family meals under soft LED lighting. The fully equipped kitchen features all essential appliances, a sink, and sleek cabinets with enough storage for a month's supplies. The sleeping area is equally impressive, offering cozy bunk beds for guests and a luxurious master suite designed for ultimate relaxation. With a starting price of $3,242,000, the Marathon Coach redefines travel with unmatched style and comfort. The Becca Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet van transforms any journey into a luxurious and enjoyable experience. Designed for comfort, it features soft leather seats with heating and ventilation, giving each passenger a throne-like feel. The van is equipped with high-speed internet, touch control panels, and televisions, creating a perfect mobile office or entertainment space. A noise-canceling system ensures a peaceful environment. Whether you're resting or taking important calls, the softly lit LED lighting adds to the cabin's relaxing atmosphere. Safety is a top priority, with modern stability and motion monitoring systems providing peace of mind, while powerful brakes ensure reliable handling in unexpected situations. Once you experience the unparalleled comfort and sophistication of the Becca Jet van, you'll never want to ride a city bus again. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade on wheels. Luxury and elegance come together in the Marathon Coach, a true palace on wheels. With its sleek, flowing design and tinted windows, it offers breathtaking views while ensuring privacy. The reinforced suspension guarantees a smooth ride, even on bumpy country roads, making every journey feel effortless. Inside, the coach transforms into a 5-star hotel. The spacious living area features a luxurious leather sofa, armchairs, and a dining table, perfect for family meals, illuminated by warm LED lighting. The fully equipped kitchen includes modern appliances, a sink, and sleek cabinets with ample storage for a month's worth of food. The sleeping area is equally impressive, featuring cozy bunk beds for guests and a master suite designed for ultimate relaxation and comfort. Priced at $3,242,000, this masterpiece of engineering and luxury is truly fit for royalty. Experience unparalleled comfort and elegance with the Mercedes Actros chassis, featuring a powerful V8 engine. Meticulously designed, this 12-meter long and 2.5-meter wide vehicle provides ample space for sophisticated living. Step inside to find leather sofas, folding yacht-style tables, and a 43-inch smart TV that create an inviting atmosphere. Stay comfortable with an LG air conditioner, heated floors, and a Cabola KB40 diesel heating system. The interior is thoughtfully divided into zones with electric curtains and roll-up partitions for privacy. The kitchen is a haven for culinary enthusiasts, equipped with 2 Whirlpool induction cooktops, a microwave combi grill, a spacious 220-liter refrigerator, and a double waste bin. For true foodies, upgrades include a 15-bottle wine cabinet and a dishwasher. Where would you take the luxurious STX4 Pop-Out on your next adventure? This stunning trailer is more than a camper. It's a home away from home. At 9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3.8 meters high, its commanding presence is matched by a thoughtfully designed interior. Focused on comfort and adaptability, the central living area transforms effortlessly. The sofa converts into a spacious bed for guests, and the dining table doubles as a cozy coffee nook. The kitchen boasts a 368-liter refrigerator, a stovetop, and a dishwasher, while the trailer's 379-liter freshwater tank ensures carefree off-grid living for several days. Eco-friendly features include solar panels and lithium batteries, offering 3 to 7 days of self-sufficient travel. The sleek aluminum exterior adds a modern touch, complemented by a folding patio deck that supports up to 680 kilograms, perfect for relaxing in a rocking chair. Welcome to a new era of iconic, self-sufficient campers. When heading to the mountains, consider the versatility and performance of a large hybrid trailer like the Bruder EXP7. Available in 2 models, the Pop Top with a retractable roof and the Hardtop Grand Toro with a fixed roof, this trailer is built to conquer any terrain. Its unique air suspension offers unparalleled adaptability, providing triple the range of its closest competitors. The adjustable height system accommodates different towing vehicles, while features like lifting a damaged wheel and leveling the body on uneven surfaces ensure a smooth experience. The trailer's exceptional design even allows for 90-degree turns, making it a standout choice for adventurers. With a starting price of $21,000, the Bruder EXP7 is the perfect companion for exploring rugged landscapes with ease and comfort. It's time to elevate your outdoor adventures. Introducing the Heian Luxe Home by Fritz Tiny Homes, a masterclass in minimalism and functionality. This innovative design has earned a nomination for the Most Innovative Design Award, and it's easy to see why. Beneath its sleek and modern exterior lies a versatile space optimized for storage and practicality. The staircase steps double as pull-out drawers. A slim spice shelf is conveniently placed beside the stove, and large items can be stored under the couch. Even the bathroom is thoughtfully designed with hidden storage solutions. The Heian Luxe Home is not just practical, it's built for comfort and efficiency. The exterior is maintenance-free with foam-insulated walls and fiberglass windows. Inside, underfloor heating and 2 ERV ventilation units keep the air fresh, ensuring the home stays warm in winter and cool in summer. This compact marvel combines style, comfort, and innovation, everything you could ask for in a tiny home. The Movo Giant XL1 container house is a groundbreaking feat of engineering, capable of transforming into a 3-story, 160 square meter structure in just 6 hours, requiring only one skilled person. The ground floor boasts a spacious hall, while the rooftop terrace accommodates up to 25 people, making it perfect for social or formal events. This innovative space can host up to 195 guests in total, offering unparalleled versatility. Equipped with advanced features including air conditioning, energy-efficient LED lighting, and state-of-the-art multimedia equipment, the Giant XL1 ensures comfort and convenience for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a sports event, brand launch, or formal gathering, this remarkable container house provides an exclusive VIP setting that can be deployed anywhere, redefining luxury and adaptability. The NVO Pop is the perfect choice for families or friends seeking thrilling adventures without compromising on comfort. This innovative trailer is designed to sleep 4 people comfortably, making it ideal for weekend getaways or extended trips. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped bathroom featuring a toilet, a hot shower, and a sink, ensuring a seamless blend of convenience and functionality on the go. The thoughtful design provides all the essentials for a home-like experience, no matter where your travels take you. One of its standout features is the integrated Starlink system, offering high-speed internet connectivity even in the most remote locations. Whether you're working remotely, streaming entertainment, or staying connected with loved ones, the NVO Pop has you covered. Compact yet versatile, the NVO Pop is built for adventure, offering a unique combination of comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Get ready to create unforgettable memories on your next journey. This unique vehicle is perfect for adventurers seeking a luxurious Pacific cruiser experience. Its most striking feature is the panoramic glass cabin, providing breathtaking views akin to those from double-decker tour buses. For an even more spectacular experience, the roof dome slides open, offering unparalleled views of the night sky. Inside, the thoughtfully designed layout includes areas for relaxing, dining, and sleeping. It features 2 beds, one that converts from the rear seats and another conveniently located beneath the driver's cab. Built on the reliable Mercedes ATO platform, this impressive cruiser measures 8.2 meters in length, combining functionality with style. Who else can say they've traveled in a convertible, fully equipped with everything needed for an unforgettable journey? This Pacific cruiser is more than a vehicle. It's a ticket to extraordinary